Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do another draw with me video and I'm gonna show you how to draw my little elephant. Isn't she cute and sparkly? So I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need to get, and it's freaking paint, man. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to draw my little elephant I like to draw all the time. Are you ready? So you start with the noggin, which is the head. Alright, alright. Let me zoom in a little here for you. So you're going to want to make this wavy thing. And then you're going to go down like that. And basically do the same thing to the other side. Like that. And then the trunk goes right here. So you're just gonna go like this. Make it go in a loop. Around. It's okay if you make some mistakes like I just did, because you know, that's how you live and you learn. And you grow. So these are where the tufts stick out, or I don't even know what it's called. So you make the little teeth thingies. Right? Right? Like that. And then you make its eyeballs. Why are those birds so damn loud? Just like that. And then you do the ears. So you go up, down, up a little bit, down a little bit, and then up a little bit. Right, 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 you got it. Up, down, up a little bit, down a little bit, and back up. Ta-da! It's cute! Add some little extra stuff. Go like this. And then you can give her eyes. Everyone wants some eyes, right? So we're going to watercolor this whole entire elephant rainbow, but we're gonna leave these part white, because that's white. So yeah, just get your little watercolor palette, and whatever colors you want, man. This is your drawing, man. Aw, look at it, it's so cute. So now that you're all done with your little watercolors and stuff, you can, well, I like to grab a dark color like a purple or something, and you hold it over like that and you just give it a quick tap. Quick tap, you know? Get some nice little like effects in there. I don't know, man. You know? She got some freckles. And now we just wait for it to dry. Alright guys, so it is an elephant in space, so we are going to use our black acrylic paint. That is the sound of my pig screaming, hello. So we're going to get our black paint and we're going to cover this whole entire white background in the black paint. And now we wait for the black part to dry. Okay, sorry for the change of lighting. It got a little bit dark out. So, and inside now. So, what we're gonna do next is add some galaxy colors into the space that we got right here, which is black part, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is get a brush like this, and you're gonna wanna make sure it's got all these little bristles on it, alright? Nice and long, it's how we want it. So we're gonna get our pink and our blue. So how you do the galaxy colors is, I like to go like that, and then you just dip it a tiny little bit and just go like this. So you don't want too much on there, but you don't want it to be too less, but it's better for it to be less. So I'll show you. Watch, ready? Like that. Just like little hints of it, places. Just something light, you know. Alright, let's get that blue. Let's get that blue up in there. Look at that. So when you're adding the stars, just make sure like you dip it in. Make sure you take most of it off, because you don't want too much. And then just very lightly. You don't want to press down too hard on it, because it'll make your white, it'll make it too white. Just want some speckles in there. You know? Okay, now that we have our little space thing going on here, we're going to want to let that dry, and then after we're going to grab our thicker Sharpie and outline all of these black Sharpie lines so they are bolder and thicker and trippy. Now we are going to add some designs in the little ears, and you guys don't have to do what I'm doing, but you can add your own little style in there, or you can follow along, whatever you want, you know. I think I'm gonna do flowers. So I'm just gonna add these little flowers. So now that we are done with the ears looking cute, we are going to do the head. Now I don't like to add too many just trippy stuff by the head and the trunk and everything, just because I don't want it to be too much. So I like adding little dots and everything, so follow along. Alright guys, so that is your little elephant. Now we're pretty much done, but I want to add some little stars and some Saturns back here in the little background. And I have this gold marker, and it's only $3 at Walmart. So yeah, let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Look how cute she is. Oh, but she's my baby. And this canvas will be on my Etsy shop for $30 if you guys want to go see it and buy it. I don't know, maybe. Thank you so much for watching my video though. It means the world to me. Bye, I love you. I hate myself, but I love you.